What is clotting time? It is the time taken from the puncture of a blood vessel to the formation of a fibrin thread. Normal clotting time value is around 2 to 8 minutes. Clotting time will be performed with capillary glass tube method. These are capillary glass tube as you are seeing in the photograph. Now we begin with the procedure. With proper aseptic precautions, prick distal part of your middle finger or ring finger. When adequate amount of blood drop is formed, introduce one end of the capillary glass tube in the drop of the blood and holding another end slightly lower in such a way that blood flows rapidly in that capillary tube. Fill capillary glass tube up to 70 to 80% of its length. Hold capillary glass tube in a hand so that temperature of the blood will be maintained. At the end of 1 minute, break 1 cm part of the tube and see whether fibrin thread is formed or not. After breaking of the first segment, break 1 cm segment at every 30 seconds till the last segment will hang with the fibrin thread. In this photograph, you are clearly seeing that the last segment is hanging with the remaining part, which is due to formation of a fibrin thread. Normal clotting time with this method is around 2 to 8 minutes. Show broken segments and hanging segment to your examiner with your clotting time value. What is clinical significance of performing this practical? Before any operative procedures, it must be performed. Laboratory investigations for bleeding disorder are required for patients who have a history of spontaneous bleeding or excessive bleeding following injury. Here are some diseases. Hemophilia, which occurs due to deficiency of factor VIII or anti-hemophilic factor. Christmas disease, which occurs due to deficiency of factor IX or Christmas factor. Purpura. Purpura is a group of disease occurs due to thrombocytopenia. Thrombocytopenia means decrease in platelet count below normal. Normal platelet count is around 1.5 to 4 lakhs per cubic mm of the blood. Hemophilia and Christmas disease are the conditions in which clotting time is prolonged but bleeding time is normal. Thrombocytopenia, thrombosthenia, and idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura are the conditions in which bleeding time is prolonged but clotting time is normal. Here, thrombosthenia means functional abnormality of platelets.